Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete unused apps on your iPhone to free up storage space and organize your home screen, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and navigate to the home screen where your apps are displayed. Step 2. Locate the app you want to delete from your iPhone. Step 3. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears with options. Step 4. Tap Remove App from the Options menu. Step 5. Choose Delete App to permanently remove the app and all its data from your iPhone, or select Remove from Home Screen to keep the app in the app library. Step 6. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete when prompted to ensure the app is permanently removed. Step 7. To delete multiple apps at once, press and hold an app icon until all icons start jiggling, then tap the minus icon on each app you want to delete. Step 8. Alternatively, go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage, and select the app you want to delete. Tap Delete App to remove it. Step 9. Review your installed apps regularly to identify and delete unused apps to maintain optimal storage space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.